Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 12R, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off once it's visible. When the device turns off, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume up at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. Now when you see the Mi logo, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this will automatically take you to the recovery mode. Now in here we have a couple options: reboot, which takes us back to Android; wipe data, which we do get to select using our volume buttons; and confirm using power button. So here we have wipe all data and just back to the menu, and connect with Mi Assistant, and we can also put the device into safe mode. So that's basically all we have in here. So I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it, reboot to system, and like I mentioned, this just boots me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.